Hi friends, welcome to SL Smart Ideas. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get notified. Today we are making Coconut Susiyam. Ingredients and quantity. Roasted coconut, 1½ cup. Sugar, ½ cup. Roasted semolina, 1 tablespoon. Milk powder, 2 tablespoons. Dates, 5. Condensed milk, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1 pinch. Knead the mixture well. Vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon. Roasted peanuts, 2 teaspoons. Knead well. Make balls out of the mixture. Flour, 50 grams. Salt, 1 pinch. Water, ½ cup. Mix well until you get the paste. Dip in flour paste. Fry in oil. Delicious coconut susiyam is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.